In this series about psychic attack, we are going to discuss that what are the signs of psychic attack or how we can recognize that somebody is under psychic attack. Hi, we are from yogastvidyarishikesh.com. Our motto is being blissful being. We help people to awaken their consciousness and stay yogast, which means stay wisdomful, blissful, and creative eternally. So I welcome Yogi Buddhadev to please give us a review about what are the signs of psychic attack.
Yogastha. Uh, Param, you have asked that what are the signs of psychic attack. But before that, very briefly, I would like to say something. What is psychic attack actually? And then we will definitely go through the different signs and all. We have heard this term, and as we sometimes hear about psychic attack, there instills a fear inside us. Oh, he's under the influence of psychic attack, or he is attacked. He is psychically attacked, and that creates a shiver, that creates a fear inside us. Of course, we are by nature psychological, though we are a spiritual being, but we have actually forgotten our spiritual nature, and we have reduced ourselves just to physical being and psychological being only. And as you know, the psyche means mind, the consciousness, the normal consciousness. I'm not talking about, like you have just said very beautifully, that we from Yogas Vidya Rishikesh help people awaken their consciousness and to stay wisdomful, blissful, and creative. And that is the human by nature, that he should be creative, he should remain blissful and wisdomful. But anyhow, sometimes this very human who is entitled to live blissfully, wisdomfully, and with creativity comes under the psychic attack, comes under the evil eye, comes and confronts the negativity, comes under the influence of sarcasm, comes under the influence of curse, comes under the influence of, as you know, the black magic, possession, and so many other things. So these things happen. We definitely acknowledge like the positivity or the positive energy, the negative energy also affects us, of course. When this negative energy affects us, of course, there must be some sign. There must be some sign. So we will definitely and briefly talk about some of the signs. And you have written there the 7 signs of psychic attack. The very first sign that that a psychic attacked person shows is fatigue, exhaustion, tiredness, without any good reason, that you are not overloaded by work or by job pressure and all. You remain under the influence of fatigue. You feel tired all the time. And then physical pains, of course, they are very much related. Muscular pains, I would say. The tiredness or the fatigue, it gives rise to the physical pains. You feel like lying in the bed all the time. You feel lazy. You do not feel like working out and just to do anything with joy and freedom. You show the signs of laziness all the time. So these are the signs. And then again, there is one more sign that I would definitely mention, that is the nightmares. Or sometimes the person who is under the influence of the psychic attack, he gets up at night, or he may be dreaming very fearful dreams and all, and the nightmares may be running after him or something, or he may be talking something that he sees the images which are very frightening, giving shocks and thrills and all. So these nightmares are also again out of many signs a very great sign of psychic attack. Then you can say the person feels dizzy all the time, dizziness. So the fatigue, tiredness, dizziness, and having nightmares, these are some common signs that a person feels. And you can easily make out then that if there is no other reason, because of which he is feeling dizzy, is feeling tired and all. So he might be having psychic attack, I would say. Then there are a few more signs like emotional imbalance. Such a person who is under psychic attack will be emotionally imbalanced. Sometimes he would be very good in mood and nature and all, but very other time he would be very irritated, angry, sulking and all. So the emotional imbalance is one of the great signs of psychic attack. And then there are, say, you can feeling cold or shrinking of muscles, a severe headache. These are again a very common sign that by which you can recognize that this person may be under the influence of psychic attack. But yes, you want to ask something here? Yeah, please.
So essentially, sir, you are saying that all these symptoms, they are going to affect our life, and definitely they are going to affect our relationships also.
Definitely. See, like I said, that emotional imbalance. If a person is emotionally imbalanced, how could he just be maintaining a good relationship with the persons around? You see, if he is or she is emotionally imbalanced, so his relationship would be at cost. It would be costing them because he cannot maintain the rhythm, the harmony between the relation. So this, of course, affects the relationship. Definitely, definitely. And not only the emotional imbalance, sometimes the person behaves very eccentric. He behaves very awkwardly. You see, or like we say that he's abnormal, though he's not abnormal. His energies have become abnormal. His energies have become abnormal because you see, what is psychic attack? The psychic attack is given in form of word, thought, etc.
Okay, so we have understood the symptoms of psychic attack and how they affect our daily life. To understand what is a psychic attack, you can watch our upcoming videos. You can subscribe to our channel if you like these kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Guruji, for giving this valuable information.
You,
Yoga. Yoga.
yoga.